Hi everyone, I'm Lou and welcome back to Easy English with Lou. Today we're going to learn 10 common everyday phrases that all beginners should know. These are phrases that native speakers use all the time. I'll explain what each one means, how to use it. I'll give you a quick pronunciation practice and help you to avoid common mistakes with these phrases. Let's get started. Are you ready? Fantastic. Phrase number 1. What's up? When we use this phrase, we're basically using it in a very casual way to ask someone how they're doing or what they're doing. An example. Hey, what's up? Not much, just relaxing. A common mistake is that people use it in a more formal way, but we should use it in a very casual way. So instead of answering, oh, I'm fine, thank you, we can just say, not much, or I'm great, how are you? When we use this phrase, what's up, we actually blend those two words together. So for example, what's up? All right, so let's practice together. I'll say it and then I want you to repeat after me. Hey, what's up? Your turn. Fantastic. So bonus tip, use it with your friends, but never in a job interview, because when we are in a job interview, that's a lot more formal. When we use what's up, that is very, very casual, a phrase that we use every day with our friends. Okay, fantastic. Phrase number 2. I'm just looking, thanks. We use this when we are in a store, but we're not ready to buy something yet. We actually just want to look around. And so we use this phrase and we just say, I'm just looking, thanks. All right, an example, think about yourself at a store. A sales clerk comes up to you and says, can I help you? You'll say, I'm just looking, thanks. A common mistake is to say, I don't want help, because that sounds very rude. Although you might not need the help, it's much more better to say, I'm just looking, thank you, or thanks. Okay, so let's say it together. I'm just looking, thanks. And remember, bonus tip, when you say this, smile, because you don't want to come across as rude. Phrase 3, no worries. This is another way to say it's okay or don't worry about it. An example is, oh, sorry I'm late. No worries. Common mistake. Don't say never mind, because it can sound quite cold. Always stick to no worries. Pronunciation tip. We say no worries. Almost like there's a Z in it. Now practice with me. No worries. Great. Very good. Bonus tip. Remember, we use this for casual replies. Never use this in a formal setting. Phrase 4. I'm down for that. This is when you agree to a plan that somebody has come up with. So for example, you want to go to the beach? Yeah, I'm down for that. A common mistake is don't confuse it with feeling sad. This is like you are agreeing with someone. Pronunciation tip. I'm down. Sounds like one word. I'm down. All right, instead of two separate words. So let's practice. I'm down for that. Now your turn. That sounded great. Bonus tip. Once again, use this with your friends in a very casual setting instead of in a formal environment like an interview. Phrase number 5. Hang on a second. This means like you're asking someone to wait briefly. Okay, so for example, hang on a second, I'll grab my phone. Common mistake, avoid saying wait. It sounds demanding. When we say it, try and say it smoothly, like hang on a sec. Instead of hang on a second, you can use either or. You can say hang on a sec, hang on a second. Both are very casual and perfect. So let's practice. Hang on a second. Now your turn. That sounded really good. A bonus tip, when you say hang on a second, it's actually a very polite way to pause a conversation. Phrase number 6, I'm not sure. This means that you don't know something or you don't know the answer to something. So for example, if somebody asks you a question like, is he coming to the meeting? You'll say, oh, I'm not sure. Common mistake. Avoid saying I don't know with a shrug. It can seem quite lazy. All right, so let's practice it together. I'm not sure. Your turn. Very good. So a bonus tip with this phrase, I'm not sure. Use this in a work situation and or even in daily life. So either environments, this phrase could work very, very well. Phrase 7, it's up to you. This means that you're letting somebody else decide. So for example, should we get pizza or pasta? It's up to you. A common mistake, don't say, I don't care, because it could sound careless or like you really are not interested. Pronunciation tip, all right? Try to reduce saying the word to, so it's up to you. All right, so it's almost like you're blending all of those words together. Practice, say it with me, it's up to you. Your turn. Great. Bonus tip, when we say it's up to you, it's great for a polite decision making. So you can actually use it in a professional environment or even in a casual one. Up to you. Phrase 8, sounds good. This means that you agree or you like something that someone has come up with or said. So for example, your friend might say to you, let's meet up at 3. You will reply with, sounds good. Common mistakes. Don't just say okay every time. Try to mix it up. And a lot of natives say sounds good a lot. Pronunciation tip. Sounds has a very soft D at the end, not a hard one. So sounds. So it's almost like it's not even there. Say it with me. Sounds good. Your turn. Beautiful. Very good. Bonus tip, you can use this in normal conversation or even when you are texting. It's a very, very good way to use this phrase as well. Phrase 9, take your time. This is another way to say don't rush. So for example, if you are late or if you're slow at something, you can say, sorry, I'm slow. I will be there soon. Your friend or you could reply with saying, no worries, take your time. So you see that we actually use two of our phrases in one. Common mistake, please don't say hurry up unless you're really joking, because this can come across as quite rude. Pronunciation tip, it's quite smooth, so take your time. It's not like we're saying your time, we're saying take your time. Practice, let's say it together, take your time. Now your turn. That's very good. So bonus tip, we use this to be kind, right? So like I said, don't say hurry up, right? Because then you're really coming across like you are irritated. So we use this in a very kind environment. Phrase 10, I don't get it. So this is when you don't understand something, all right? So if we use this phrase, I don't get it, it's usually because we're saying, oh, I don't understand. Okay, so an example, what does this word mean? And you could say, sorry, I don't get it, or I don't know. So it's basically the same way of saying I don't know or I don't get it. Common mistake, don't say, oh, I'm stupid, I don't know anything, because we all need help. We don't know everything. Pronunciation tip, reduce don't to done. I don't get it. Okay, it sounds more natural if we say it like that. Practice with me now. I don't get it. Your turn. Very good. That sounds very nice. So bonus tip, follow with, can you explain please? So instead of just saying, I don't get it, and then leave it there, say, I don't get it. Can you explain, please? That way you are opening up the conversation more, and you might just learn something new. Let's do a quick quiz. I'll say a situation, and you say which phrase to use. You ready? Number 1, your friend says, let's go to the park. What do you say? Yes, I'm down for that. Number 2, someone says, sorry, I'm late. What do you say? Yeah, good. No worries. Number 3, the waiter asks, ready to order? You're still deciding. So what do you say? Ah, fantastic. Hang on a second. Very good. That was impressive. Great job, everyone. These phrases are used every day by native speakers, and now you can use them too. Practice a few each day, and you'll sound more fluent in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite phrase from today's lesson. If you have any questions or want to book a free English trial with me, please let me know too in the comments. See you next time. Bye.